morning friends, I am Lalita. I want to explain about API. API stands for Application Programming Interface. It is a set of rules, protocols and tools that enable different software applications to communicate and interact with each other. It has four major types, that is open, partner, internal and composite. Open. Open means it does not create the API or run it. Instead, it provides a blueprint or specification for the API. Partner usually refers to an external company or developer who is allowed to use an organization API under control and trusted. Internal. Internal is used inside an organization, not exposed to the public or external partners. Composite. Composite combines multiple API calls into single request. It has contains four methods, that is get, post, delete and put. Get method is used to retrieve or fetch data from the server. It does not create, update or delete anything. Post. It is used to create new data on the server. This method is used to adding something new, that is user message or order and product. Put. It is used to update existing data on the server. It replaces the entire record with the new data you send. And next, delete. Delete is used to remove or delete a resource from the server. In this API you can use get method. It has four types. It has six types of protocols, that is SOAP, REST, GraphQL, gRPC and WebSocket, and next one webhook. SOAP stands for Simple Object Access Protocol. It is a protocol used to exchange structure information between application over a network. It uses XML format for request and response. REST stands for Representational State Transfer, used standard HTTPS methods, that is get, push, delete and post to interact with users. GraphQL is an API query language developed by Facebook. It allows the client to ask exactly for the data it needs. GraphQL technically uses one single endpoint. And next, gRPC stands for Google Remote Producer Call, is a high performance communication system used for connecting services. It uses protocols buffers instead of JSON and or XML. And next, WebSocket. WebSocket is a communication protocol that allows two-way, that is bidirectional communication between client and server over a single long lasting connection. And next, last one is webhook. Is a way for one application to automatically send data to another application when an event happens. In this API we can use WebSocket. For example, we can use an by using the code, that is Smart Weather API. Into an example, that is Smart Weather API. First we can open Google and click this website, copy this, we can see this like website, and after that we can remove this line, and next example can be copy and paste them. In this program we can take a HTML document. HTML means hypertext markup language, and next take head. This is the title for this example is Smart Weather API. We can take style. Style means CSS. CSS stands for cascading style sheets, and we can also use their background, glass and temp, map, rain and everything we can use there. And next we can also use script like this JavaScript. We can use JavaScript in this an API. After that we can this code like this, next output will get